We have some examples on it. He said cos minus 1710. First of all, the concept was cos minus theta is equal to cos theta, right? Cos and secant. Then 1710 is nearby 1800, 360 into 5 is 1800. So we can write it 1800 minus 90. And 1800 is a multiple of 360, so we can consider it 0. We got it cos minus 90, and cos minus theta, again the same concept is cos minus theta is cos theta, and cos 90, the value of cos 90 is 0. That we know by table. Cos 2190. 2190. Now it is near to what? That is, for 360 you divide it by 360. 2190, 360 into 6. So we got it 360 into 6, 360 into 6 plus 30, that is 360 is 2160 and this is 90. So now we can write, as it is 360, we can write it 0. So we got it cos 30 degree, and the value of cos 30 directly we know is under root 3 upon 2. So in case of 0, then we know to see any quadrant and all. Secant 480, that is secant 360 plus 120, and 360 is simply replaced by 0. So we got it secant 120. Now secant 120 we can write 90 plus 30, and the concept for 90 is it is changed into cosecant theta, and 90 plus theta, this is 90 plus theta lies in second quadrant. In second quadrant you have to check this, not this, right? Keep in your mind, in second quadrant we are going to change this. So second quadrant, this secant is negative, so put a negative sign, and for cosecant 30 the value is 2, so we got our answer is minus 2. Cosecant 870, that is cosecant 720 plus 150. 870 is 720 plus 150. 720 is multiple of 360, so we can consider it 0. 720 is 0, so we got it 150 directly. We know to see any quadrants and all here, as we are changing it 720 into 0 only. Now cosecant 180 minus 30 is 150. Now you have to see the quadrants. 180 means cosecant will remain same, cosecant theta, cosecant 180 minus theta. 180 or 360 you need not to change, 90 or 270 you need to change. So cosecant theta. Now see the quadrant 180 minus theta. 180 minus theta means lies in second quadrant. This is the negative direction of angle. So 180 minus theta, second quadrant. In second quadrant your cosecant will be positive. So we got cosecant 30, and cosecant 30 is, again we got 2. Plus 2 will be our answer. Write it down.